Hello all, welcome back to our channel Mini Bombs 5. Today I will show you an easy craft. For this you need sketch colors, A4 size sheet, pencil eraser, flower petal and glue. So let's do it. Step 1. Sketch a girl like the way I am doing. Step 2. With the help of glue, paste flower petal like the way I am doing. Done. Looking nice now? Step 4. Color the flower petal. You can use any color of your choice. Now color the skin and hair. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.